Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok, right? So let's go into the TikTok mobile application here, and after just going to the TikTok, we will go in the profile section, which is on bottom left side corner. And after that, you can see here we have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner. Then just go to the setting and privacy, and here you have to scroll a little bit down, and here you have to click on report a problem. Okay, and it will take a very few seconds just to load, so kindly wait here. And after that, you have to scroll a little bit down and you have to select account and profile. And here on the account and profile, you will get an option that is called editing profile, right? Or you can just select here, for example, profile page, and just go to the bottom and here select another, right? Or you can see other. So you have to click here, and here basically you will get an option which you have to click on the no and just click on need more help, and it will redirect to a new page. And this will basically a box where you have to tell or explain your problem, right? So you have to explain it that you have changed your date of birth by mistakenly and it is not correct, so I just want to change my date of birth. And after that, you can attach the photographs or the screenshot where it's showing that your date of birth is currently wrong and you just want to change it. So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.